A decade ago, drone cameras were noisy toys. They carried shaky GoPros, produced blurry footage, and fell out of the sky if the wind blew too hard. Today, that has changed forever. Drones are no longer toys. They are flying supercomputers. They are the eyes of modern warfare, the cinematographers of Hollywood, the first responders in disasters, and the silent overseers of our farms and cities. They don't just record images, they collect petabytes of data, predict human movement, and see through physical barriers that stop the human eye cold. Today, we're exploring 25 powerful, detailed facts about drone cameras, how they work, why they are essential, and how they are quietly reshaping the world above us. Watch until the end, because the final fact explains why the drone camera of the future might not even need a human to tell it what to look at. The cinematic revolution. 1. Perspective. Humans will never have for a century. Aerial shots required a $2,000 an hour helicopter rental. Drones changed that overnight. They provide the God's eye view, but more importantly, they offer the dynamic view, flying through windows, under bridges, and inches away from athletes. This perspective reveals hidden patterns, how traffic actually flows, how crowds breathe, and how environmental damage spreads across miles of forest. 2. Rivaling professional cinema cameras. 10 years ago, you could tell a drone shot by its distorted lens. Today, high-end drones like the DJI Inspire 3 or the FreeFly Alta carry full-frame sensors. We are talking 14 stops of dynamic range and 12-bit raw video. This means the drone isn't just a flying camera, it's a flying Alexa, or RED. Filmmakers can now match aerial footage perfectly with ground-based cinema cameras, creating a seamless visual experience. 3. AI stabilization, the invisible tripod. How does a drone stay still in 30 miles per hour winds? It's not just the pilot, it's an inertial measurement unit, IMU. Every millisecond, the drone's brain processes data from gyroscopes and accelerometer. It predicts a gust of wind before it tilts the camera and counters it with a brushless gimbal motor. The result? A tripod in the sky that feels like it's bolted to a steel beam. The tactical edge, military and security. 4. Operating across the spectrum. In the shadows of modern conflict, drone cameras don't see like we do. They use sensor fusion. A single drone might overlay a standard 4K feed with a thermal, FLIR feed, and a near-infrared sensor. This allows operators to see a truck's engine heat through a canvas tent or track a person through dense smoke and fog. You can hide from the light, but you can't hide from your own body heat. 5. Zoom capability. The kilometer-long telescope. Modern surveillance drones don't need to be close to be dangerous. High-altitude drones use specialized lenses that combine optical zoom with AI upscaling. From 5,000 feet in the air, a drone camera can read a license plate or identify if a person is holding a camera or a weapon. This standoff distance keeps the drone safe while keeping the target under a digital microscope. 6. FPV. Becoming the machine, first-person view. FPV drones have moved from racing hobbies to the battlefield and film sets. Using low-latency digital goggles, the pilot sees exactly what the drone sees in real time. This eliminates the disconnect between human and machine. In a high-speed chase or a tactical indoor raid, the pilot isn't flying a drone. They have effectively become the camera. 7. Law enforcement as a flying witness. Police departments are replacing static CCTV with drones as first responders, DFR. When a 911 call comes in, a drone launches from a rooftop pod and arrives at the scene minutes before a patrol car. The camera provides an objective, unedited aerial witness that documents evidence before it can be tampered with, drastically changing how crime scenes are processed. Data, mapping, and the 3D world. 8. Photogrammetry, the digital twin. This is one of the most powerful uses of drone cameras. By taking thousands of overlapping 2D photos, software can use the parallax effect to create a 3D digital twin of a building or a mountain. This allows architects to measure a skyscraper's height to within centimeters, or archaeologists to preserve ancient ruins in a virtual space before they erode. 9. Agriculture. The multispectral Dr. Farmers are the new tech giant. Multispectral cameras on drones look for the NDVI, Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. They measure how much infrared light plants reflect. If a plant is stressed or thirsty, it changes color in the infrared spectrum long before the human eye sees it turning yellow. This allows precision farming, giving water or medicine to only the specific plants that need it. 10. 8K footage is about data, not just pixels. Why shoot in 8K when most people watch on phones? Reframing. 8K drone footage allows a filmmaker to zoom in 400% during editing without losing quality. One wide shot of a forest can be cropped into a close-up of a single tree, a medium shot of a river, and a panning shot of the horizon, all from one single flight. The humanitarian and scientific eye. 11. Search and rescue. SAR. The golden hour. In a rescue mission, the first hour is critical. Thermal drones can scan 100 acres of dense forest in minutes, a task that would take 50 people hours. These cameras detect the heat signature of a lost hiker against the cold ground. Some drones are even equipped with cellular sniffers that can locate a person's phone signal from the air. 12. Disaster zone. Reaching the unreachable. After an earthquake or a chemical spill, it's often too dangerous for humans to enter. Drone cameras serve as the scouts. Using SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping, drones can fly inside collapsed buildings without GPS, sending back a 3D map of the interior to help rescuers find the safest path to survivors. 13. Wildlife research. Without the stress, traditional wildlife counting involved loud helicopters or intrusive ground teams. Drones with high-zoom 4K cameras allow scientists to count whale populations or track elephant migrations from a distance, where the animals don't even know they're being watched. This leads to more natural behavior data and zero stress for the animals. The technical and ethical frontier. 14. Night vision and the end of darkness. Modern CMOS sensors, like those in the Starlight camera series, can see in near-total darkness. They amplify tiny amounts of ambient light from stars or distant cities to make a midnight scene look like late afternoon. For security and military operation, the cover of darkness has officially been deleted. 15. AI object tracking, the self-directing camera. Through computer vision, drones can now understand what they are looking at. You can tap on a car, a cyclist, or a dog on your screen, and the drone will lock on. It uses predictive algorithms. If the car goes behind a tree, the drone calculates its speed and trajectory, waiting for it to emerge on the other side to resume filming. 16. Wind resistance is now. Algorithmic drones don't just fight the wind, they model it. Using AI, the drone's flight controller anticipates turbulence based on the pressure on its propellers. It adjusts the gimbal angle before the shake happens. This allows drones to film cinematic sequences in wind speeds that would ground a small manned aircraft. 17. Multi-camera payloads. Industrial drones no longer carry just one lens, they carry payload. A single gimbal might house a 40x optical zoom lens, a wide-angle lens, and a laser rangefinder. With one click, an operator can switch from seeing a forest fire to measuring the exact distance between the fire and the nearest power line. 18. The privacy debate. Technology versus legislation. As drone cameras get smaller and quieter, privacy laws are struggling to keep up. Can a drone film your backyard if it's in public airspace? Does a 40x zoom count as a search under the law? These questions are triggering massive legal battles worldwide, as technology has moved much faster than the courts can handle. The future, autonomy and intelligence. 19. Environmental monitoring and pollution tracking drone cameras are being used to see gas leaks. Using specialized optical gas imaging, OGI, drones can see invisible methane leaks from pipelines. This allows companies to stop environmental disasters before they become visible to the naked eye. 20. Sports strategy. The Sky Coach, professional soccer and NFL teams now use drones for every practice. The high view shows player spacing and lanes that are invisible from the sideline. Coaches use this tactical footage to analyze mistakes in real time, making the sky an essential part of the modern playbook. 21. Security drone, the flying guard. Fixed security cameras have blind spots. Security drones don't. Future corporate campuses will have autonomous drones that live in boxes on the roof. If a perimeter fence sensor is tripped, the drone automatically launches, flies to the location, and live streams the intruder's face to a security team before they even know they've been spotted. 22. Dynamic range and low noise. The jump to 10-bit and 14-bit color is about more than pretty colors. It's about data recovery. In a high-contrast scene, like a dark canyon under a bright sun, a drone camera captures detail in both the shadows and the highlights. This level of data allows for professional-grade color grading that was impossible 5 years ago. 23. Large sensors and cinematic depth. By putting micro four thirds and full-frame sensors on drones, we get shallow depth of field. This is that blurry background, bokeh look. This makes drone footage look less like a security feed and more like a high-end movie, allowing for portrait shots from 50 feet in the air. 24. Autonomous pilotless filming. We are entering the era of the Level 4 autonomous drone. These drones don't need a pilot to avoid obstacles. They use 360-degree binocular vision to see every branch, wire, and bird. You can tell the drone, "Follow me through this forest while staying 10 feet to my left," and it will navigate the complex environment entirely on its own. 25. Smarter than the pilot. The final, most shocking fact. Drone cameras are becoming smarter than the people flying them. With integrated AI, a drone doesn't just record a crowd. It can instantly count the number of people, identify specific faces, and flag suspicious behavior, like a person running or a bag being left behind. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't blink, and it can analyze thousands of data points every second. The drone is moving from being a tool to being an analyst. The sky is no longer empty. It is filled with intelligence. Drone cameras have turned the airspace into a massive 3D data center. They are documenting our world, protecting our lives, and occasionally challenging our privacy. As AI continues to merge with these flying eyes, the line between recording reality and interpreting reality will vanish. If this look into the future of the sky expanded your perspective, hit that like button. Comment below. Would you trust an autonomous drone to patrol your neighborhood? Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the technology of tomorrow. Because the most important stories aren't just happening on the ground, they're being filmed from above.